Top 12 foods that dissolve blood clots. Blood clots form when the proteins in blood, called fibrin, stick together and get tangled up. These clumps can block circulation and cause serious health issues like heart attack, stroke, or pulmonary embolism. While blood clots are necessary to stop bleeding from an injury, unwanted clots in blood vessels can be extremely dangerous. The good news is that certain foods contain natural blood thinners and antioxidants that can help eliminate clots by preventing platelets from sticking together. Incorporating these foods into your diet may help reduce the risk of blocked arteries and improve cardiovascular health. Here are 12 of the best foods to dissolve blood clots. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant abilities. Curcumin helps prevent platelets from clumping together and reduces the risk of blood clots forming. It also helps stimulate nitric oxide production, allowing blood vessels to relax and remain open. Several studies have shown that curcumin can inhibit platelet aggregation by interfering with the release of thromboxane A2, a compound that activates platelets and stimulates clotting. Curcumin also reduces the overproduction of fibrin, a protein involved in clot formation. Curcumin in turmeric is highly effective at combating unwanted blood clots by disrupting multiple pathways leading to clotting. Try cooking with turmeric powder, adding it to curries and stews, or drinking turmeric tea to reap the protective benefits of this golden spice. 2. Ginger. Like turmeric, ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols. Studies show ginger may have blood-thinning abilities similar to aspirin, preventing platelets from sticking together. Gingerols inhibit certain enzymes, which generate inflammatory compounds that activate platelets. Gingerols and shogols improve fibrinolytic activity and prevent blood constituents from clumping together. Ginger also contains salicylate, which can help break up existing clots in blood vessels. Salicylate suppresses thromboxane production and reduces clot formation. Munch on raw ginger in soups or smoothies, or sip ginger tea to get your daily dose of ginger protective compounds. 3. Garlic. Garlic is rich in a compound called ajoine, which gives garlic its powerful anti-clotting abilities. Ajoine helps prevent platelets in the blood from becoming sticky and joining together to form clots. Studies demonstrate that ajoine inhibits platelet interaction with the blood vessel wall and fibrinogen binding, essential for clotting. Ajoine also lowers cholesterol levels and blood pressure while improving circulation. Let crushed garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking to maximize the health benefits. This allows time for the clot-busting compounds to be released from the garlic cloves. 4. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper gets its red color from capsaicin, which has blood-thinning properties. Capsaicin inhibits platelet aggregation to prevent clumping and eases tension in blood vessel walls, allowing for better blood flow and lower blood pressure. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper interferes with platelet activation by blocking calcium signaling and thromboxane A2 release. It also increases circulation and fibrinolytic activity in the vascular system so clots can be dissolved. Sprinkle cayenne pepper on meals or mix with lemon and warm water for a homemade blood-thinning tonic. Start with small amounts and build up a tolerance to reap the benefits of capsaicin without too much spice. 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon contains antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which improve blood circulation and prevent clotting. It also contains coumarin, which can mimic the activity of blood thinners. Research indicates that cinnamon extracts can inhibit platelet activation by impeding calcium mobilization in platelets and blocking thromboxane production. However, too much coumarin can be toxic, so moderation is key when consuming cinnamon. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon to oatmeal, toast, or coffee in the morning to receive its protective effects against unwanted clot formation. 6. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin and a potent antioxidant. It inhibits platelet aggregation by blocking the action of compounds that stimulate clotting. Studies demonstrate that vitamin E supplementation increases nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Vitamin E also limits thromboxane A too release from platelets and interferes with fibrin formation. Foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and broccoli. The recommended daily intake for adults is 15 milligrams, so eat a handful of nuts and seeds daily to meet your needs. 7. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants like naringin and vitamin C, which prevent platelets from clumping together. Naringin has been found to extend clotting time and inhibit fibrin polymerization and platelet activation. Vitamin C reduces platelet aggregability by increasing nitric oxide levels. Studies also show grapefruit can lower cholesterol levels, which improves cardiovascular health and blood flow. Drink a glass of grapefruit juice or add grapefruit slices to a salad to receive its protective benefits against unwanted clotting. 8. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which have anti-clotting effects on the body. Omega-3s reduce fibrin production and platelet aggregation. EPA and DHA in salmon inhibit platelet activation by reducing thromboxane A2 generation in platelets. Omega-3s also limit fibrinogen binding to platelet surface receptors, which is necessary for clot formation. The American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish like salmon at least twice weekly to prevent blocked arteries and blood clots. 9. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that contains an enzyme called papain, which can prevent blood platelets from clumping together. Studies indicate papain inhibits platelet aggregation by suppressing calcium influx into platelets and interfering with the binding activity of fibrinogen. Papain not only improves blood circulation, but also helps digest dietary proteins. Enjoy fresh papaya cubes sprinkled with lime juice for breakfast or as a midday snack to take advantage of its anti-clotting advantages. 10. Natto. Natto is a Japanese dish of fermented soybeans known to be high in nattokinase. Nattokinase is a potent enzyme with fibrinolytic activity, meaning it can directly dissolve and eliminate blood clots. Research shows nattokinase enhances the body's clot-busting processes by activating plasminogen and increasing fibrinolytic effects. Nattokinase is so powerful that it can break down already formed clots. Introduce natto into your diet with rice, eggs, or vegetables. Getting used to the slimy texture takes some time, but the health benefits are well worth it. 11. Pineapple. Pineapple contains the proteolytic enzyme bromelain, which has anti-clotting and anti-inflammatory abilities in the blood. Bromelain reduces excessive fibrin production while removing fibrinogen to prevent clot formation. The enzymes in pineapple also improve circulation by clearing away plaque and debris from blood vessel walls. Enjoy fresh pineapple desserts and juices regularly to guard against problems stemming from blood clots. 12. Onions. Onions contain antiplatelet compounds that inhibit blood clotting by preventing platelets from clumping together. The quercetin in onions limits thromboxane production in platelets, while the adenosine helps prevent platelet aggregation. Onions also improve circulation by dilating blood vessels so blood can flow freely. To reap the protective effects of raw onion slices sprinkled with lime juice, munch on them, or add them liberally to soups, salads, and sandwiches. In conclusion, unwanted blood clots can obstruct blood vessels and lead to heart attacks, strokes, and other complications. However, a diet rich in turmeric, ginger, garlic, and onions can help bust blood clots and improve cardiovascular health. Their natural blood-thinning properties keep platelets from clumping, while their antioxidants reduce inflammation and improve circulation. So, regularly include these clot-fighting foods in your meals for optimal health. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and comment on it. Also, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell.